Imagine a global human community. Imagine it because this is the horizon of the human rights imaginary, whichever variant of it you are thinking about right now. And to a global human community, human rights are what music is to dance. It provides means of coordination, means of orchestration, means of orientation. People could, theoretically speaking, dance alone, but somehow they prefer to do it together. That's why we need music. Music is what it takes to dance together with other people so that it would make sense. Masses of people can dance together. They do not need to share much. They do not need to have much in common. They just need to come together and have the music to lead them on so that they could follow the beat. There is even a possibility that by dancing together, over time, they might get better at it. They might develop a habit for doing it. Just like people might develop a habit of abiding by human rights, of using human rights as means of orientation, and get better at it. But there is a pitfall to that. Music does not prescribe any particular way of dancing. And human rights do not prescribe any particular way in which we might abide by them. They are open to so many meanings. Hence, it is crucial to know a few things about how to dance the dance of human rights. First of all, who is calling the tune? Who is saying what rights there be, whose rights there be, how they shall be named and renamed? There is also the problem of agreement and disagreement regarding the meaning of human rights. How much do we really share and how much do we need to share to abide by them? Third, there is an issue of getting people to dance along. Are there some dancers who can lead others on? And how do they do that? Do they do it by dragging them along, by force? Or maybe by ridiculing them into compliance, by shaming them into conformity? Or maybe can it be done also by deliberation, by a reasoned argument? Or maybe just by haggling, you pick a tune, I pick a tune, you pick a tune. How reliable is compliance? How reliable is conformity achieved by each of these means? And how long does it last? And the most important question of all, what does it take to change the tune? What does it take to change the dance completely? What does it take to change the human rights order?